Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 13th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar yen definitely did bounce a little bit today. We had CPI inflation data. Now, didn't quite hit that 78%, but it's definitely close enough where it could possibly be considered a hit, especially with the fact that some of the dollar pairs, especially the dollar index, look like they may have turned. Definitely no break of structure on this time frame, but we do have a lower high. That lower high could actually be a lower high wave 5, like a truncated wave 5, like a 1, 2, 3, 4 lower high wave 5. Missed the 78% by a little bit, and maybe we're back into the downtrend, completing this A, B, and C crescent. So anyways, let's take it down to the shorter time frames. Now on the 1 hour time frame, I would be looking for shorts right now. And if it ends up doing something like this, 1, 2, 3 waves down, maybe throw a channel on there, your base channel to help you tell the difference between an A, B, C, and possibly a 1, 2, 3. Because if it does make 3 waves down and pulsive up, then it definitely could be an ABC and it could push back up to the 78%, especially with the JPY pairs still looking pretty bullish. If it really is a 1, 2, 3, then it would break out of your base channel and maintain a lot of momentum to the downside, most likely throughout the Asian session, and eventually give you the break of structure, which would definitely confirm that this is the end of an ABC correction on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.